my name is Simar Singh. I am a spoken word poet. I'm also an educator at Unacademy's Creative Corner, and I have a surprise for you. At the Creative Corner, we're having a December Carnival, and as a part of this carnival, I am taking a completely free class on the 8th of December at 4 p.m. on the Unacademy app. The topic of this class is exploring the world of poetry. And it's going to be a magical class full of fun, full of excitement. And as it's completely free, all you need to do is click on the link in the description and sign up for the class. That's all you need to do. And I am so excited to be teaching you guys about the world of poetry at the Creative Corner on an Academy on the 8th of December. Sign up now. I'll see you there.